students. So today we'll start with the chapter number 4, that is a practical geometry. In this chapter we have to construct different types of quadrilateral. So we will start with the first exercise. In this we have to construct a quadrilateral ABCD. It's a quadrilateral. We have to construct the special types of quadrilateral also. What different kind of questions will come? So here you can see that in the quadrilateral they have given AB, BC, CD, AD and AC. That means they have given the four sides of this quadrilateral and one diagonal. So in the different types of quadrilateral we can see that the two diagonals given, 1, 2, 3 sides are given, angles are given, special types of quadrilaterals are given. So in this whole chapter we are going to learn how to construct a quadrilateral from the measures which they have given. So in this quadrilateral, the first exercise, you can see that here the four sides and a diagonal is given. This is the rough diagram which I have constructed here. It's not 100% accurate. It's a randomly I have constructed. I have drawn with the help of scale. But when we construct the diagram or we quadrilateral ABCD, we have to use scale, we have to use a pencil and we have to use a compass, that is rounder. So remember, by using this we have to construct the required quadrilateral. हम यहाँ पे accurate quadrilateral ABCD of the given measures construct करने जा रहे हैं. So students, ये chapter बहुत easy है. There are few things which you have to just consider when you are construct the quadrilateral. As the questions progress, I'll explain कि कौन से chapters में हम कौन सी बात ध्यान में रखेंगे. So ये the first one, whenever the four sides of a quadrilateral and a diagonal is given. मैं आपको condition बता रहा हूँ कि जब कोई भी quadrilateral construct करना है, उसमें अगर angles नहीं है, sides हैं, 4 sides और एक diagonals दिया है, तो हम यहाँ से start करेंगे. See, the most important part of this quadrilateral is from where should we start it. हम हमेशा diagonal से start करेंगे. So as the diagonal is given of 7 cm, so we will construct a 7 cm line segment with the help of scale. So let us construct a 7 cm line segment. As we construct the 7 cm here, and that is AC, so let us give this line segment AC, and this is of 7 cm. So now we have the 2 points A and C. Now from A and C, you can see here in this question, you have AB from A, point from A point, which are the other lengths are given. They have AB, AD. So what we will do, we will first construct the arc of 4.5 cm from point A and 6 cm from point A. एक एक करके हम समझते हैं. Let's construct a 4.5 cm arc. You can take the length of the radius 4.5. Why we are doing of 4.5 cm? Because AB is 4.5. So if I'll see, this is the point A and you have to construct an arc which is of 4.5 cm. मैंने क्यों यहाँ पे लगाया, यहाँ नहीं, इस साइड नहीं. So as ABCD we have to construct. यहाँ पे कहीं पे point B मिलेगा. I don't know where exactly it obtains. Now as I have done this, from point A we have one move vertex is there D. हमें पता नहीं है point B कहाँ पे है इधर. वो कैसे मिलेगा? Let me tell you one clear way. So you can see that AB and BC, मतलब हमारे पास पॉइंट CB है. तो अब हम क्या करेंगे, पॉइंट A से मैंने एक आर्क लगाया 4.5 सेंटीमीटर का. अब मैं C पॉइंट से एक आर्क लगाऊंगा 5.5 सेंटीमीटर का, जो हमें पॉइंट B देगा. सो नाउ विल टेक द लेंथ ऑफ 5.5 विच इज BC. नाउ फ्रॉम पॉइंट C वी शुड ड्रॉ एन आर्क. अब आप देखो यहाँ पे, this both the arc which I construct from point A and C, they both are intersecting here. So we should remember that this is point B. मुझे कैसे पता चला ये point B है? क्योंकि A से हमने एक आर्क लगाया था 4.5 जो लेंथ था AB का, और C से हमने एक आर्क लगाया 5.5 सेंटीमीटर का जो BC था, मतलब दोनों में कॉमन वर्टेक्स क्या था? B, तो B यहां पे मिला. सो लेट मी ज्वाइन दिस AB. आप इसको बाद में भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हो, इट डजेंट मैटर. एंड BC. अगर आप AB और BC मेजर करोगे तो ऑब्वियसली इट्स 4.5 एंड 5.5 रिस्पेक्टिवली. आप देखो AB इज 4.5 एंड BC इज 5.5. हम रफ डायग्राम क्यों ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं? नाउ आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू. अब हमें पॉइंट लेना है D फॉर दिल्ली, ये पॉइंट. अब आप देखो B और D कहाँ पे है? AC के एक इस साइड है, एक उस साइड है. Now if you obtain B on this side, so obviously you'll get D on the opposite side of AC. अगर B आपको AC के ऊपर के साइड मिला तो D आपको नीचे मिलेगा. देखो स्टूडेंट्स, हमने ये पॉइंट कर दिया, हमने ये पॉइंट कर दिया, हमने ये पॉइंट कर दिया. अब ये दोनों बाकी बचे हैं. सो यू कैन सी दैट विच इज कॉमन इन दिस बोथ द लेंथ इज D. तो पहले AD जो 6 सेंटीमीटर का है, वी शुड कंस्ट्रक्ट अ 6 सेंटीमीटर आर्क. ये 6 सेंटीमीटर लिया फ्रॉम पॉइंट A. कहां पे लगाएंगे? करेक्ट, नीचे, क्योंकि अभी हमने डिस्कस किया कि वी विल ऑब्टेन दिस इन द लोअर साइड ऑफ AC. तो ये लगा दिया हमने 6 सेंटीमीटर का आर्क. आप छोटा भी लगा सकते हो. अब हमने ये कर दिया AD. अब CD 4 सेंटीमीटर. तो अब फ्रॉम पॉइंट C वी शुड कंस्ट्रक्ट एन आर्क ऑफ 4 सेंटीमीटर. So from point C, we construct an arc of 4 centimeter. So you can see that this both are intersecting, and obviously this is point D. Now let us join this AC and CD, and they both are the required length. ये दोनों हमें जो लेंथ चाहिए था वही मिल गया होगा. Let's measure it. AD, this is of, you can see it is of 6 centimeter. And CD, that is of 4 centimeter. Let us measure or note down all this value. It is 4, it is 6, this is 4.5 and this is 5.5. Thus quadrilateral ABCD of required measure is constructed. Thank you. Let us continue the question. First, second number. Again in this we have to construct a quadrilateral named JUMP. Again this is the rough diagram, and you can see that what the values of the sides and the diagonals are given. So again this is this construction which is same as the previous number. That means the 4 sides are given and 1 diagonal is given. So whenever we have the 4 sides and a diagonal, we know that how we'll do this. As the initial stage to construct, from where should we start the construction is very important. हमें कहाँ से start करना है? तो as I told you that wherever the diagonal is given, we should always draw that first. So we can say that here PU or UP is the diagonal. So let us start with the diagonal UP, or we can say PU. You can give the name whatever you want. That means P यहाँ पे, U यहाँ पे और U यहाँ पे, P यहाँ पे. तो you can give it. So let me just first construct that is of 6.5. So this is the length of the diagonal PU. आप UP और PU आप कुछ भी लिख सकते हो. This is of 6.5 centimeter. Now as we obtain the two vertex P and U, the rest of the two are left, that is J and M. अब कंस्ट्रक्शंस में ये दोनों ऑब्टेन करना ही सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. तो U से J का मेजरमेंट दिया है 3.5 और P से J का मेजरमेंट दिया है 4.5. सो रिमेंबर, लेट्स फर्स्ट ऑब्टेन J. तो हम क्या करेंगे? फ्रॉम पॉइंट U वी शुड ड्रॉ एन आर्क ऑफ 3.5 सेंटीमीटर, एंड फ्रॉम P वी शुड कंस्ट्रक्ट एन आर्क ऑफ 4.5 सेंटीमीटर. Where this both the arcs intersect, that must be the point J. So let us first do this. The length of an arc, that is 3.5, we should construct 3.5 measurement. Then let us construct an arc of 3.5 from point U. This is an arc. Now from point P, we have to construct an arc of radius 4.5. The reason? JP, that is 4.5. So this is 4.5 from point P. Okay. Now see, this is what happens sometimes. You can see this both arcs are not intersecting. So remember students, whenever these things happened, तो हमें आर्क के लेंथ नहीं बढ़ाना है, मतलब ये रेडियस में चेंज नहीं कर सकता. So what I'll do, previously the length which I have taken, that is 3.5. पहले जो मैंने लेंथ लिया था 3.5, उसको मैं थोड़ा बढ़ा दूंगा. This radius I will increase. Now you can see they both are intersecting. हमें ये ध्यान रखना है, हम रेडियस कभी भी चेंज नहीं करेंगे. वी शुड नेवर चेंज द लेंथ ऑफ रेडियस. सो दिस इंटरसेक्टिंग पॉइंट इज पॉइंट जे. तो लेट मी ज्वाइन दिस PJ and JU. So this is the length, that is 4.5 centimeter we obtain. You can see it is the same length, and this is of 3.5. So we will obtain point J. It is like the same which we have done. So this is 4.5. You can write this later on also, and this is 3.5. Now which point is left to obtain? That is M. अब point M कैसे मिलेगा हमें? Obviously U से 4 सेंटीमीटर का आर्क लगेगा और P से 5 सेंटीमीटर का आर्क लगेगा. Fine. So let us do the same thing. I'll construct an arc of 4 centimeter from point U. Now where should I construct the arc? U से कहाँ पे आर्क लगेगा, ऊपर नीचे कहाँ पे? तो you can see that J and M, they are on the opposite side of UP. एक इस साइड है, ये इस साइड है, तो ऑब्वियसली हम नीचे की ओर लगाएंगे. दिस इज द लेंथ ऑफ 4 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ द सेकेंड लेंथ विच वी रिक्वायर्ड, दैट इज PM, is of 5 centimeter. This is the 5 centimeter length of radius I have taken. From point P, we should draw an arc. You can see they both are intersecting somewhere here. So let us give that point M. Now join PM and UL. PM and UL. So thus you can see that this quadrilateral is obtained. This is of 5 centimeter and this is of 4 centimeter. So this is the required quadrilateral JUMP is obtained. बच्चों समझ लो कि योर डायग्राम स्लाइटली चेंज. अगर आपने U यहाँ पे P यहाँ पे दिया होता, सो जो यहाँ पे दिख रहा है दैट कम्स ऑन दिस साइड. बट रिमेंबर, all the length of the sides and the diagonals should remain the same as it is given into the question. Thank you.